Nestled in the Bandırma region of Balıkesir province, Turkey, Lake Manyas, also known as Lake Kuş, has long been celebrated for its remarkable biodiversity and rich cultural history. Spanning roughly 44 square kilometers, this shallow, nutrient-rich freshwater lake is fed by groundwater and 4 main streams, which fan out to form intricate deltas, lush marshes, and tree-lined riverbanks. But recent scientific efforts have revealed that Lake Manyas is not just a tranquil haven for wildlife. It is also a sensitive indicator of environmental change and a living laboratory for discovery. A surge of recent research, leveraging advanced remote sensing technology, has monitored the shifting surface area of Lake Manyas across nearly 4 decades. These studies have shown that the lake's expanse has undergone subtle but distinct fluctuations, closely tied to climate variability. Even minor changes in temperature and precipitation patterns have resulted in measurable differences in water levels, underscoring the lake's vulnerability to environmental stressors. Scientists now see Lake Manyas as a vital barometer for understanding the impacts of climate change in the region, emphasizing the need for vigilant conservation and adaptive management. Beyond its environmental sensitivity, Lake Manyas holds international significance as a sanctuary for migratory birds. More than 250 species, including pelicans, flamingos, and herons, depend on its wetlands as a critical stopover along the African-Eurasian flyway. Since the founding of Manyas Bird Paradise National Park in 1959, conservationists have worked to protect this crucial habitat. Their efforts have been recognized at the highest levels, with the park earning a prestigious Class A European Union certificate for its success in preserving avian biodiversity. Today, the national park encompasses a 64-hectare reserve that continues to attract ornithologists and nature lovers from around the world, each drawn by the spectacle of thousands of birds gathering in a single, vibrant ecosystem. The discoveries at Lake Manyas extend beneath its waters and along its shores as well. Archaeological investigations have uncovered evidence of settlements dating back to 4000 BC, including the ancient site of Daskaleon, a Roman settlement on the southern shore. These findings offer a glimpse into the enduring relationship between humans and this life-giving lake, revealing a landscape where natural and cultural treasures intertwine. Whether viewed through the lens of modern science or ancient history, Lake Manyas stands as a dynamic, ever-evolving site of discovery, one whose stories continue to unfold with each passing year.